first of things we will check the material test certificate. So related to material test certificate, how to check and how you review the material test certificate, I already discussed in my lecture number 32 and 33. So I don't want to repeat again. Please watch my lecture number 32 and 33 for more details. Then we have to check the product specification. So during material inspection, we have to check the physically on site the product specification. So in product specification, we can find the material grade, standard, material heat number, and others also. So during inspection, we have to confirm our whatever we go for inspection, that material have the written by stamping or printing, material grade and standard, what standard they follow, and material heat number. There is the have the heat number or lot number. This heat number and lot number must be tally with the material certificate. Then we will able to understand, yes, this material for this material certificate. So I show you the sample photos. So when we go for inspection is on site, this is the one plate. This is actually not clear photos, but I after all also I try to take on photo from one side. So here have the written then we can see this pipe photo. Then I hope here we will be able to understand very clearly. So material grade here writing have A312 pipe 304L. So this is the one SS pipe. So here writing have the material grade. Then we can see here the material standard. So this is the STM standard. So we can see here the specification also, NPS 6 inches, schedule 40 years. So we can find the heat number also like that. So here have the one heat number. So I hope when you go for the inspection, you can see this type of written writing. There we need to identify the material grade, what material is this, and what is standard, and what is the heat number is there. These three things we have to comply with our mill test certificate information. Then we will able to track, yes, this material certificate for this material. I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, next slide we see what I have. So material dimension, after that we have to check the material dimension. So for plate we have to check thickness, length and breadth. So thickness, what the thickness. So when we receive the material inspection report or material inspection incoming invoice or challan, there have the written what is the thickness of this material and what is the length and what is the breadth. So as per our procured invoice or procurement order, we have to check, yes, our material is come with proper details. So there we have to check the length, breadth and thickness. So for plate we have to check these three things for dimension. So if we go for then the another things is the for plate inspection we have to check the condition, what is the condition for material, then corrosion, mechanical damage, lapse, bends and lamination. So specification we can find from any of place of plate, then size. Then other check may need to be made, such as distortion tolerance, number of plates and storage. So maybe we have ordered the 20 plates. So as per invoice or packing list we have to check is there is the 20 plates is available or not, and the storage, wherever is storage, the storage condition is good or not. So that the things we have to check during the material inspection. Then this is the direction of rolling, showing the direction of rolling. Then core lapse, we can see the parent material, the core lapse is showing. Then lamination, then segregation. So I show you one by one. So mechanical damage, we can find the during visual inspection, the incoming inspection, the mechanical damage, lamination and lapse, then segregation line. So lamination are caused in the parent plate by the steel making process originating from ignored casting defects. So segregation bands occur in the center of the plate and are low melting point impurities such as sulfur and phosphorus. So for these things segregation bands is occur. The lapse are caused during ruling when overlapping metal does not fuse to the base material. So these the things happen the lab segregation brain and sand lamination. Then we can see here is the one lamination. So lamination is like that. So we can see the lapse in surface. So this is the lapse, this is the corrosion. So you can see the surface in the corrosion, how is corroded. So we have to check our standard or the things we can accept for corrosion. So lamination is totally not acceptable, and lapse also. So we have to check our project documentation, how we can resolve this. So these are the things we have to check during visual inspection, material incoming inspection, and we have to record the things. Then another point is material dimension for pipe. When we go for checking the pipe, so what the things we have to check, then thickness, length and diameter of pipe. So we can see here is the pipe, same things, whatever we ordered, as per order this pipe is come or not, then these are the things we have to check. So thickness we have to check, then wall thickness, that whatever we call for pipe is schedule. Then diameter of the pipe, inside diameter, outside diameter, and length. So these are the things we have to check the dimension wise in for pipes during incoming inspection. Then condition same as the plate, we have to check the corrosion, damage, then wall thickness. Then we have to check the additional is ovality, lamination and seam. So welded seam, if the pipe is welded type, then we have to check the welded seam also. Then damage or size, then specification we have to check. I already show you the previous slide that there have the writing the specification. Then other checks may need to be made, such as distortion, tolerance, number of pipes and storage, same things. Whatever we ordered, that much quantity is arrive or not, that the things we have to ensure. The next point is the material dimension for round bar, just solid bar. Just I show you for your friends. If we order the solid bar, then we have to check the diameter and length. What is the length of the round bar or rebar, whatever. Except this also we have the so many type of material. For example, the hollow profile, angle. So these the things we have to check as per our order. For example, the angle we have to check the if equal angle, then for example 150, 100, 110. So these two angle side will be the 100 and thickness will be 10. So these the things I hope you will able to understand when you go for the inspection. Just I want to give you some idea in this lecture how we have to go for how we need to check during incoming inspection.